So let me answer a few questions you might have about Canvas and specifically the frustrations of discussion posts. I woke up this morning to a lot of emails, which is totally awesome, but I just want to help alleviate some of that stress about that and let you know. First off, don't worry. The first couple weeks with Canvas problems and trying to log in and trying to all the problems for posting discussions, that's all in consideration. So very lenient as far as, when getting that done, right, for the first few weeks. So don't worry, don't let it stress you out and don't let it hinder you. Okay. So when you go to the web page, again, we'll go directly. Don't even look at anything else. You can go to grades. I won't click on there because it'll open up everyone's grades, but you can go there and see, once we get further down the line where you're at. If you're missing anything, you can click on the assignment right there. And always, to be frank, I always accept late work, even if it's really late. You might lose a lot of points for it being so late, but it's much better than getting a big fat zero. So let's just be clear with that. Now, go straight to the modules page. Now, everybody should be familiar with the modules page. If you click down, you'll have the discussions here. You'll be able to click right on those, and they're open. I've checked to see, and I know they're open. But so let's click on. Before each week, I'll do a very quick video of a Let's Talk just to go over every basic thing for that discussion that week. But so you could scroll to the end there and see some stuff. But if we click on the first one, your discussion, that's a lot of people doing some great job. I noticed you've been able to do that. And so it's a very stupid button. It's not very clear, but the reply button's right here. And if you click, you won't see anybody's posts until you reply, and then magically it'll pop up. So when you click on that one, this will pop up here. So you could write your post, and then if you scroll a little further, it says post reply. This is what it should look like on your page with every discussion. So you could, do a Word document, cut and paste it, put it in here, press reply. That should work. And then once you reply, magically anybody else in your small group, their posts will pop up below, and then you could respond below that. Now, if for any reason your page doesn't look like this, then what I suggest is to go to the Shasta College main menu. You could type in Canvas, or what I'm going to do is put the link in announcements, and it'll take you to the Canvas help page. And these people are awesome. They're at Shasta College, Paul and Brianne, and they are the gurus of Canvas issues. So the technical side, if your page, when it doesn't look like this, doesn't have this sort of things, unfortunately it's beyond what I can do, but it's not beyond what Paul and Brianne can do. So they could help out and guide you through it and see if maybe there's a setting on the computer, your personal computer, or something that's hindering this from popping up. Okay, so another thing you can do, if you're just going on just to look at the discussions right there, you've seen the videos and everything, you can click on the discussions page, and pinned are the discussions that we've had. So you'll be able to go into the general discussions, our first discussion, the second one, the genre choices. Don't stress too much about this. This isn't, I'm giving 5 points just for, doing it, but I'm not, we'll figure that out as it goes. The main ones are the academic type discussions. Those are the 20 points, and those are a big part of the grade. So, yeah, so we'll make sure all this is open, make sure that you get points for that. And you can go in there, you can respond, you can click in, you'll see that, press reply, and once you reply, you'll be able to see everybody else's just like the other ones. So hopefully that helps out a bit. With the main thing that is, if your page doesn't look like this, then go over to Shasta College, look at the link that I'm going to be posting in announcements, and email us right there. So you'll be able to go here and press email, or you could put a question there, and they have a little running forum of all that information there as well. So you got a couple of different resources to help you out. The other resource, you can always email me as you do, and that's awesome. But you can also, if you wanted to spend time with each other, you can actually organize time and go into the chat and talk as a small group together, or if you know people in the class, you can go in there and collaborate. That might be helpful. Also, there's net tutoring. So during the week, there's people through Shasta College and elsewhere that are tutors for this class and all your classes online. So that might be useful. So there's lots of resources. You're not alone in all this. So I hope that helps you a little bit. Um, and clears up some of the the snags of Canvas that are inevitable, unfortunately. Make sure you can see the reply button. If it doesn't, email Brianne and Paul. They'll respond Monday through Friday. Not a big deal over the weekend, and don't worry, I understand that there were some issues with it also. We're not too stressed about that. I don't expect you to freak out about that over the weekend or anything. We'll make it work, and I'm actually. Yeah, I'll be looking at that early next week, so you have plenty of time. It's open. I know all the discussions are open, so have fun with that. Discuss with each other. Really get the main concepts of how we're using the idea of humanities to understand film. Because next week we're going to get right into silent film, and we should have fun with that. All right, thanks everybody.